So on shoot. Right? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
He saved himself. Jesus Christ. Oh. So we got intercepted.
Oh, they start with stretcher on the other base.
We can go and capture him, and we still got to go and get stretcher. And the stretcher. Yeah. Alright?
We'll do recon mission, go straight that way.
We try and capture him.
I think a lot are going that way. Should we go that way?
10 up there. There's 10 up there. You don't all reach the 10. We need to engage the other ones out. We've got enough people going up there to.
Got one, got one. Got two. Got three. There's a guy hanging on the roof now. He's gonna come through. I can see his head. Ah, he keeps peeking. He's behind the fence panel. He's got the. I've got 3 people here. There's one guy on the roof panel.
Covering the right.
What one?
The one standing behind the ladder.
I haven't seen him yet. There's a guy who's got red and white on his head, hat, looking through every now and then. We kill Blue. Wait, are you dead? Yeah.
Hello?
Blue.
Hello? You dead?
Shit. Guys. Dude. When I saw your armband, I was like, hang on, that's fucking Blue. You must have done the objective yourself then. Holy shit. Honestly, because I couldn't see, because you went that way, I thought you was our guy. Nice, well played though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh shit. I've got number 9. I've got number 9. We're racing that lot. Gentlemen. I've got loads of kills around there.
Same, bro. They've been coming here.
Where's Rossi? There he is!
Taking out nowhere. I think I've got past an image.
No, you're sick if you did.
He's on the Blue looking at us and he just pulled a pistol out.
There's a lot of smoke over there, we're like, what the fuck? There's a lot coming in though, there's a lot coming in. We was in, yeah.
Well, I was actually...
Oh, love it. Well, you notice why his gun's playing up. It's the barrel play, look.
Yeah.
Oh.
Somehow, got to fix it
Oh
somehow.
yeah.
That's one of your boys there, isn't it?
Could be Reese,
Yeah, he's reset. He's well into it, isn't
He loves it.
We invited him into the Airsoft chat with him.
Put it this way.
Yeah, you're in it.
No, it's on Facebook. It's on Facebook, mate. It's not hidden. No.
You've got Facebook. You've got an Airsoft chat.
Yeah. Bro's so out of it, doesn't even know.
I'm so off grid right now. That's what the joys of a dad does to you.
Where are they?
There's a guy creeping at the very end.
Oh shit.
12 o'clock to me. In the bush.
Fucking can't see that. I generally can't see that.
I promised John earlier because he shot me. Also, if any of you shoot me, I can come and sponsor you with a gun and just instant kills. Fucking hell, John.
I had 2 gingerbread men sitting in there, and they took hours very quickly.
Got him. Hit.
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Cheers. He's behind the barricade. Where was it? Oh, behind the trees there. I can hear it. I can't see him though. I literally can't see him. Down, big tree. Right. There's someone that way. No. Oh shit. I didn't even see that. There's someone behind us. Oh, dead ahead. Dead ahead where that white tree is. On the big tree. Hit! Don't get me, don't get me, don't get me. Try and get him first, don't worry about me. He's looking. Dead ahead with them big where the wooden barriers are, upwards. Behind the big tree. If he's crawling around there, I can't guess his next movement. He was next to the big tree a minute ago. Yeah. He was rolling the tree. Ah, shit, I saw that straight across as well. So we got someone else to your right. Watch out, he's above that way somewhere. Is it?
Yeah.
Fuck. Got. Did ya? Oh yeah. Oh, hit! Fuck. There's a sniper behind the tyres.
Guys back in.
There's a sniper behind the tyres, okay? On your right, there's a bunch of tyres. There's a sniper there. That's your angle you're getting. So you got your good hit that way. Watch out. Yeah. Behind the tyres. Somewhere around here. Cheers for the revives. Hit! Never mind. Oh fuck. There's about 3 of them there, good luck.
3, 2, 1. I don't want to get my phone caught.